This is a Corsair Frame 4500X RSR ARGB full panoramic PC case. Let's open the box. The cardboard is really thick, so it protects the case and it is protected everywhere. And it's very important that it will be protected everywhere because it is mostly a glass case. So look at these protections, they are thick. So now we need to remove the case. This is the bottom of the case and this is the top and this is the back of the case. So just remove the protection very slowly and do not drop it while removing the protection because it has glass here on the bottom now. Look at the wave design on the top. It is really very nice, and also on the sides here. And let me turn it from the glass side so that you can see it. It has a round angle here and it makes it like this, very elegant. So this is some safety information. Let's see what's in the box here. We have some zip ties and some screws, and this plastic bit is to hide the cables inside the case. And the glass is protected with this plastic film. And the case overall looks very nice. This case also comes with the 3 pre-installed ARGB fans that are here. They are side fans. So this is the case from the back. It has a very good mesh here to ventilate everything inside it. It can accommodate up to 7 PCIe cards. This is for the PSU here. So this here is telling you how to remove the glass panel here. So you have to push it like this and then you remove it simply like this. Careful where to put it so that it doesn't fall and it doesn't break. It is very thick and it is very well made. Let me remove these here. So to remove the rest of the packaging that is holding the fans, you need to remove the side panel like this. Just pop it up, and this plastic panel here, you should pop it up from the bottom like this. And this way you can remove it. And now you can remove all the packaging that is holding the fans. Make sure to remove all the packaging before you assemble your PC. It has a very nice mesh filter here also. And just put it back like this and pop it in place. It is very easy to assemble this case. And let me remove this also here so that we have a clean look on the inside of the case once we do the build. If you want to check out this case, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using this link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eroy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.